Welcome back again, artists, and you may see some familiar materials around me this week. So from episode 1, which was the art of the flat lay, I have been collecting since then even more stuff, so my collection has grown substantially. And I told you on that first episode that we would be using all of those materials that you collected to make something special, and that week has now arrived. So what we are going to be working with today is we're going to be looking at Surrealism art. And as part of Surrealism art, we are also going to be making our own Surrealist collages. Normally the Surrealist artists would be using oil paints and paintings and drawings when they did it in their time. But today we are going to use collage to create a similar effect. So what is Surrealism and who are the Surrealists? Surrealism is a cultural movement which developed in Europe after World War I. The Surrealists, meaning beyond reality, were a group of philosophers, poets, writers and artists who were fascinated by the thoughts of the subconscious mind and the strange imagery of dreams where the impossible could happen. Some of the most famous artists in this group include Salvador Dali, René Magritte and Max Ernst. This style of making art, with a bizarre mix of visual elements including unexpected items, animals and people in unexpected places, has continued to inspire artists for nearly 100 years. Contemporary artists have evolved this style into digital media and collage. Using collage as a technique to create these weird and wacky images is a perfect way to emulate the dreamlike images of the original Surrealist artists. Collage is a process of layering different images over the top of each other to create a new image. Miss Jane was really keen to demonstrate this week's collage making, so thanks Miss Jane for your talent this week. When you are starting your collage, you will need scissors, glue, tape, a large piece of cardboard for backing. You could use an old cereal box or food box or whatever you have lying around, magazines, newspaper, and your collection of recyclables. First, find a background image to build upon. Next, you need to tear out or cut out images to place around your background. Obviously, images that you cut out using scissors will have a much cleaner outline. Move things around, edit, add items, remove items until you are happy. When you are happy with your layout, stick it all down onto your cardboard backing using glue or tape. You now have your very own original piece of Surrealist collage. Thank you so much for joining me again in the studio for Art Project Hour. I can't wait to see what you make and create this week. Bye.